Welcome back. Today I am going to make vegetarian cheese pizza. So here are the ingredients. I am using Ezekiel sprouted good English muffin. I got it from Whole Food. And I am using mild cheddar cheese. I got it from Whole Foods too, but you can use any other cheese if you want. And here is the bread already cut into half. And this is spinach, chopped bell pepper, sliced tomatoes, chopped green pepper, chopped onions, and chopped dill. So let's make the cheese pizza. So first I am going to sprinkle some cheese on the bread, and then a few leaves of spinach, and then bell pepper, tomato, and little bit of green chili according to taste, but this is not so hot either. So now onions. You can use green onion if you want, but I am using the regular onions. And finally this is dill. And now I'm going to sprinkle some garlic. So now pizza is ready. Here all the 4 pizzas are ready. So I'm going to add one final layer of cheese on the top. And now I'm going to put this in the oven until it's ready. So I have transferred the pizzas on the toaster plate, and I'm going to slide it into the toaster oven, close it, and here for 20 minutes at 450 temperature on turbo. So now the pizza is ready, and I am going to serve it in the plate like this. And you can eat it by itself, or you can eat with celery or lettuce, and squeeze little bit of lemon too if you want. Now it's ready to eat. Thank you.